So, Papa, what did you do in the 1977 when you were born?
I was a baby.
What did you do when you were a baby? Did you cry?
Yeah, all babies cry.
And who was your mom, your mother?
You are.
And then, what happened to you? Does she love me? Does she love me?
Yeah, of course.
Like, was she smiling at me when I was a baby?
Yeah, she's so nice. You are so nice.
Did she love me as a baby?
Oh yeah.
Like, even still?
Oh yeah. What a very nice woman she was.
Did she feed me?
Yeah?
Did she carry me in her lap?
Yeah?
Really? Are you joking?
She was a very nice woman, dude.
How do you know?